Then I have Neeraj Kamar Shekhawat. How can I ask my HR to increase my salary? In simple words, increase my salary. But of course, you are not going to ask for the increment like this. For this, you have to make a list of your achievements. Neeraj, are you listening to me? The list of achievements should be there with you in your hands. And based on those achievements and your qualification set of skills that you have earned till now, you can ask your HR to increase your salary. That I feel that I have given this much to the organization, because salary is a give and take relationship. So you have to tell first what you have given to the organization. Only then you can ask from your HR manager to increase your salary. Right, Neeraj?